Yo, what's up? And it's your boy Asu. And after uploading my last video on my how I make money from my Beehive newsletter, I get flooded with questions in my Instagram, YouTube comment section, and Discord. So I'm gonna answer all these questions in this video so you can get the clarity wherever you are, either you are from India or Pakistan or Nigeria or any third world country where Stripe is restricted and you can't make money from Beehive, then this video will be so important for you. So let's begin it. So the first question from a guy was, do I need a US LLCs to start a Beehive newsletter? And short answer is no. You don't need a US LLC just to start a newsletter. You can create a Beehive account, write emails, build a list, and can grow further. But if you want to make money from the ads especially, and from the boost and from the marketplace there, you bound to have a Stripe account. And if Stripe doesn't work in your country, that's when you need US LLC. So let me be clear. Beehive routes all money through Stripe. That's the only payment gateway Beehive has. Aid earnings, paid subscription, boost, and everything. If you're in India, Pakistan, Nigeria, Philippines, Bangladesh, you can't just connect your local bank account and start earning from the Beehive. Stripe either doesn't exist in your country or it's invite only like in India I am right now. So what do? You form a US LLC that gives you access to Stripe. Then you open a US bank account like Mercury I have created, then Wise, there's a lot of options. Then you connect that to Beehive through Stripe. First you have to create the US bank account, then Stripe, then you can have to connect the Stripe to the Beehive. Easy. So your money will flow like this. First you make money in Beehive. It will When you will withdraw that money from Beehive, it will go through the Stripe to your Mercury directly. Then when you will withdraw that money from Mercury to any other payment gateway you have to your country, I will do it for Wise because Wise is best option for me right now, and I'm getting into my Indian bank account. Sounds complicated, it sounds little bit theoretical because this video will be like this. You have a lot of doubts, and I will look at the tablet a lot because it's a lot of theory, and I want to make to the point. I don't want to over cover something and over say something, just straight to the point, which I created from my script. Does it cost money to create LLC? In that same question, at least $350, because I created from 350. And if you really want to create US LLC without any hurdle, without any paperwork, or without tensioning about that where to create and where to not, I will just suggest you, I will give a link to a company where I created, and I don't have any commission and anything with this the guy, because I got referred from another YouTuber, and I got him, the CEO of the Form LLC US. So it's in the US also, it's in the India. You can create from anywhere in the world. I will just suggest you, if you want to create US LLC, I will attach the link of the CEO of that Form LLC company I created. Number, WhatsApp number, everything, email. You can go and contact and create your US LLC. And you can just say, you get referred by me, so they can know. Getting to the second question, identity mismatch. It's a big question. So someone asked, can I use my mom's Stripe with my Beehive? And what exactly he asked, let me say. Also, I'm under 18. Can I use my mom's Stripe account with my Beehive newsletter? Or my name on Stripe doesn't match my Beehive account. Will it work? So let me be honest with you. Stripe is very, very strict with the identity. So the name on your Stripe account must match the name on your bank account. Exactly, not even 1 liter different. Because if my name is Ashutosh Pradhan, Stripe should be also the Ashutosh Pradhan. If it's my LLC name is Ashutosh Pradhan, then Stripe name will be also Ashutosh Pradhan. Are you getting my point? It's like Aadhaar card or the local card you have, any passport. You should have the right proper naming. And you can, it also same for the friends. Like someone is asking, can I use my friends? Identity mismatch. Not more than 1 to 3 months, then you will get banned. And if you are under 18, Stripe requires a legal guardian to be the account owner. So yes, your mom can be the Stripe account holder, but here's what happened. Your mom's names goes on Stripe, your mom's ID gets verified, your mom's bank gets connected, all the money goes to her account. Legally, she is the one earning. You can still write the newsletter, you can still manage everything, but financially it's under her name. You can do with everything on her name or his name if you use fathers, but your audience would know you are doing it. And when time comes and it's reported under her name too, because you also have to file the taxes, because US LLC, if you created once, on every April, before April 15, you have to file the annual tax of last year, whole year, from like January 2025. Because I have created the LLC on 2025 December, but actually I created the bank account on the January. So the last year I didn't have any transaction, so I have the nil tax filing. It doesn't mean I have to pay taxes to US government. I also made a clarification video of how the US LLC and taxation works, so you don't need to worry. I will also attach that video in here, and how you can create US LLC from the help of that guy, the company I mentioned. I will also attach that video, so don't worry about it. So before third question, let me clarify. If that's cool with your family, go for it. A lot of young creators do with their parents' name. Just make sure the names match everywhere as your parents' name. Stripe, bank ID, all the same. Coming to the third question, why does my discount link show $49 instead of the discount? So there's another guy who asked, bro, I used your discount link or the creator link, which will give me the discount to run the ads for the first 3 months with 20% off in subscription, because Beehive have $49 per month subscription, but he used that, he didn't get anything. So the reason could be here. The discount doesn't show on the pricing page, it shows at checkout. So when you click subscribe and go to the payment screen, that's when you see $39 instead of 49. Sometimes a blue banner appears at the top saying discount applied, sometimes it doesn't. But either way, when you actually pay, the discount is there. Blah blah blah, loss of theory. You once you use that, use my link. Also, I think when you are creating a new account, make sure you are using the any creators link, so further you can get the off. But in between, if you are using, you can, it's showing here in the research I have done, so you can use that. Make sure you have to go to the checkout page. Just don't, hey, it's not showing me the $49, just go for that, go to the pay option, go to the checkout page where the cards will show. There you will see $39 when you will use the creator link. If you have existing newsletter, it will work for you. So if you're not getting my point, I will just suggest you pause the video, sorry, get back to the previous part of the video, re-watch the parts, because it will be helpful for you. Question 4, can 10 real people repeatedly click ads to boost my earnings? Okay, this is the question everyone asks but doesn't want to admit they are asking. Also, what if I get 10 friends to click every ad I send? Can I make more money with that way? Or what if I create 3 email accounts and click from all of them? Let me be very clear. No, it will not work. And you will get paid. Here's why. Beehive doesn't pay you for total clicks, they pay you for verified unique clicks. That means each person can only count once per ad. Doesn't matter if they click 50 times or 100 times or 0 times. So if you have 10 friends clicking the same ad 10 100 times each, Beehive only counts 10 clicks max, and even those 10 might get filtered out if the system detects fraud. Because Beehive tracks a lot of stuff: IP addresses, device IDs, click parents, how long people stay on the ad page. If the same IP clicks from 5 different email accounts, red flag. If 10 people click an ad but all bounce off the page in 2 seconds, red flag. If your click rate suddenly jumps from 2% to 50%, massive red flag. And when you get flagged, here's what happens: your ad network access gets revoked, your unpaid earnings get forfeited, your accounts get banned. Rewatch this part. Beehive has a whole acceptable use policy. They explicitly say no click fraud, no traffic arbitrage, no gaming the system. So don't do it. I know it's tempting when you are just starting and making $2 per email, but it's not worth it. Focus on building a real audience like me, writing good emails, get people to actually engage. That's the only sustainable way. So, question 5, does Beehive ask permission before showing ads, or are they random? This is a big one. A lot of people think Beehive just randomly inserts ad into your newsletter. Not true. You have full control. Here's how it works. Beehive has an ad network marketplace. It shows you up to 15 ad offers at a time. You browse them, you see exactly what each ad looks like. You see how much they are paying, and then you choose which ones you want to run. You literally click claim on the ad you like, then you add it on your email using the ads command. Nothing gets auto inserted. You place it wherever you want in your newsletter. You can also reject any ad for any reason. Don't like the brand, reject it. Don't think it fits your audience, reject it. You can even downvote ads to train the algorithm to show you better options. And if you don't want to run any ads that way, you just don't claim any. Simple. You also get to choose from multiple creative versions, turn the brand logo on or off, and pick your headline. So yeah, you have a lot of control. The only requirement is that you need to scale plan, which you need the scale plan, which is $49 per month to access the ad network. But once you are in, you decide everything. So that's another very important question. Beehive phone verification isn't working in my country. What do I do? This sucks. Yeah. Beehive requires SMS verification when you sign up, and for some countries, the code just never arrives. I've seen this before with people in Nigeria, Pakistan, and some part of India. The problem is Beehive user systems like TiVo for SMS delivery, and that software has a fraud protection feature that blocks entire regions they detect suspicious activity. So even though you are legit, your whole country might be blocked because of SMS pumping scams. What can you do? One, contact Beehive support. There's an AI chatbot called Pause on their site. Explain the issue. Sometimes they can manually verify you. Two, try Google Voice number. Three, use a virtual phone number service. Four, ask a friend in a different country to receive the code for you. That's the best option you can have. Code getting, it's only about getting the code from the number. It's nothing to do with anything. And no, VPNs will not help you. In fact, they might make it worse because Beehive system flag VPN traffic as suspicious. This is honestly one of the most frustrating parts of Beehive for people in restricted countries. So this is a very funny thing. If you have a more than 1,000 subscribers, then you automatically get a dealership and the ad sponsorship from the big brands who has like $5 CPC or $10 CPC more CPC. And with the max plan and the more plans, you will also get the more CPC. But if you have less than 100, or if you're starting from zero, you can still run ads. Depends which brand it is. They will also give you CPC like 1, 0.50, or sometimes it's 3, 4, or 5. So you can start from zero running ads. Simple. And I will just suggest you at least have a 20-30 subscribers when you are starting, so it can be easy for you. So before running ads or before buying scale plan, make sure to you should have at least 20 to 30 from in my perspective, but you can run ads from zero subscriber literally. Can the same email address click multiple times and get paid multiple times? Again, no. Beehive counts one verified unique click from only one email address. Doesn't matter if that person clicks the same ad 10 times, it only counts once. So if you're thinking I will just click my own ads from my man email and make money, nope. One click, that's it. And honestly, even the one click might get filtered out if Beehive detects you are clicking your own stuff again and again, because they track everything device, IP, click patterns. If you send an email and the first click comes from your own device 2 seconds after sending, that's an obvious red flag. So don't waste your time trying to game it. Just focus on writing emails that make people want to click. That's the real skill. I'm from India, Nigeria, or Pakistan. How do I actually get paid? So, all right, this is the big one. The question everyone from a restricted country wants answered. Step one, form US LLC, as I recommended in one video. I will just suggest you can go and watch this video afterwards. get an open US bank account and all that stuff. I answered it in the that video. You can go and watch it. Is it worth it for someone with a small list? Again, the same answer I answered some minutes ago. So I will go ahead to that question. So yeah, these are the most 10 common questions asked. If you have any other question, I will just suggest you just ask here in the comment, because I don't want to make the third part of it. And I know I think you shouldn't have any kind of doubt right now. If you have, just re-watch the video. Just re-watch the video. And if you have anything else, just ask in the comment. Might people will help if someone knows, or I am here to answer every question of yours. Ask here, don't DM me, because I'm cooked with my DMs. I'm getting a lot of DMs every single day. I might miss yours, but YouTube is my, I know it's my asset, so I look at every comment. So make sure, if you have any doubt, feel free to comment here. I will answer you within 24 hours for sure. And yeah, if you, as I said, I will attach all the video, how to create US LLC, how to create a Stripe account, and how exactly I made money from Beehive, which I was explaining in the middle of the video. You can go and watch all these three videos. I will attach here in the link. Right now, you have to know how to create US LLC. So I will attach the video of US LLC, how to create a US LLC. Go and watch this video, and see you in the next one.